Hi friends, today topic is IV cannula size with color flow rating. This is 24 cannula. Color yellow, flow rate about 20 to 36 ml per minute, around 1200 to 2160 ml per hour, depending on fluid and pressure. Used for age group, commonly used for children, infants, elderly patient and adult with small vein and difficult vein. This is 22 cannula. Simple information. Size 22 cannula. Color blue. Flow rate about 35 to 40 ml per minute. Used for patient, children, elderly patient. Patient is small vein, weak vein, is using IV medication or fluid. Common uses IV fluids, antibiotics, medicines and blood transfusion. This is using the 22 cannula. Not usually used for emergency past fluid, major trauma patient. This is not used. This cannula, 20 cannula, 20 IV cannula information. This is 20 kg, is medium sized intravenous cannula used to given. IV fluids, medicines, blood transfusions, injections through the vein. Twenty cannula is typically flow rate about 60 to 65 ml per minute under normal rate. Is normal grade flow is going. This is 18 cannula information. Size 18 cannula is color is code, usually green color is there. This uses past IV fluid, blood transfusion, emergency medicine, surgery and trauma care. That time using this bigger cannula. The flow rate around 90 to 100 ml per minute. Commonly insertion site is femoral veins, antecubital vein. This cannula 16 cannula, color grey, approximately flow rate 180 to 200 ml per minute is going, is very fast is going. Common uses major surgery, trauma and emergency situation, blood transfusion requiring high flow rate, quickly refreshes. Thank you.